What's up guys, welcome back to another video. And in this week's video, we are checking out a turnkey property in a gated community in Upper Ajijic today. It's located in the gated community known as Mision del Lago. It's a little gated community in Upper Ajijic. You even get some views from the common area. By the way guys, recently I have completely redone my website and it's got loads of helpful, useful information on there. If you're looking to move to the area, move to Mexico, please check it out. Saying all that guys, let's go and check out this one level property in Mision del Lago. The video is on its way. Casa Kaltec is 169 square meters of construction. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1 floor. This whole gated community of Mision del Lago was created in 1985. It's been around for some time. It's a well-established gated community. Nearby, you have a coffee shop just around the corner. Does some amazing vegan food, I have to say. You're like 5 minutes into town from here. So if you just wanted a great lock up and kind of go property, this is a very good option for that. You have space for 1 vehicle under the carport, and the back of the property, that's where all of the homes wrap around the central common area where you're going to find a pool and a get-together area. We'll check out that at the end of the video. I'll walk you into this main entrance from here. Just a few things to point out. There is a bit of extra storage here under the carport here. Just so you know off the bat, you're going to be looking at this property and it's actually a pet-free gated community. As you walk in here, you have a lovely cupola when you come in the foyer area. Here to my left-hand side, this is where we have the kitchen. Some storage here to my left-hand side. Plenty of cabinetry. I love it actually how it opens up to the living room, and then onwards from there, you have a dining room and then a covered terrace, which is facing the common areas. Here, this is where we have the bedroom. So let's check out the bedrooms and then we'll go and check out the rest of the property. On my right-hand side, this is the guest bedroom. There's a little walk-in closet to my left-hand side. Boveda ceilings. This would be your guest bathroom with a walk-in shower. On my right here, we have the principal bedroom. Lovely high Boveda ceilings with extra skylight. You've got some built-ins to my left-hand side. Here we have the ensuite bathroom. I have to say this might just be the smallest tub I've ever seen. All right, coming into the open concept living area, we have a gas fireplace. I do like the design, it flows really well. I guess the high ceilings really help here too. I love it, all the exposed brickwork in the Boveda ceilings. Really nice. It's actually quite a big room here. Enough room for a dining table of 6 and a couch in the corner. Very pleasant. Has a very cute little outside terrace. Even comes with its own lemon tree. It's really nice that they've kept the original woodwork here for the covered terrace. All right, so let's take you up to the common area. As you can see, all of the houses wrap around this central common area. The HOA fees, if you're wondering, do include water, and they come out at around $166 per month. You have a beautiful backdrop of the mountains. So this is a shared area, a great little get-together gazebo. Oh, you can feel the breeze up here, this is lovely. You do get some partial views of Lake Chapala. That's really nice. This is the common area pool. It's a really pleasant area, very quiet. As for usual, I'll leave all the information down below in the description of the video. I will flip the camera around and we can close off the video. So there we have it, guys. Hope you've enjoyed the video today. As per usual, the information will be down in the description of the video. Check it out. Let me know what you think of this one. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want to come and see it, I'll leave my email here. That's it from me. Take care of yourselves. Remember to check out my new website, subscribe to my free monthly newsletter, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks again, guys. Take care of yourselves. See you in the next video. Hasta luego, amigos.